So, guys, the Bitcoin bull market is far from over. A lot of people think, okay, Bitcoin, it's near its top, okay, but it's not, guys. Okay, we know, okay, next year, 2025, okay, we're gonna see Bitcoin reaching new highs of 150 to 180 to even over $200,000 to even over $300,000 and maybe even much higher, because a lot of people out there, okay, they truly do believe, okay, sometime next year, 2025, there is potential that we could potentially see Bitcoin going as high as 400K to even $500,000. So understand, guys, okay, Bitcoin is nowhere near the top, okay. So understand next year, 2025 is going to be an amazing year for Bitcoin and crypto, not just for Bitcoin, but also altcoins. Okay, alt season is right around the corner, guys. Okay, we know that, right? Soon enough, we're going to see the Bitcoin dominance dropping, and obviously that's a great sign and signal for alt season to begin. And I will talk more about that throughout today's video, right? And there is in fact a fair few charts that I do want to show you guys for today's video, showing you guys clearly that alt season is about to begin. Okay, there is in fact, about two charts that I want to show you guys for that, and of course Bitcoin. Okay, show you guys that Bitcoin is still nowhere near the top, and it's going to continue to pump, throughout next year in 2025. And we know, guys, okay, it's going to be the New Year's very soon. Christmas, okay, is only a few days away, about 3 days from now. Okay, very soon. And then after Christmas, obviously, it's going to be the New Year's. So get ready for the year 2025, because it's going to be a fantastic time for crypto, right? And I truly do hope you guys are ready for it. Okay, so let me go ahead and give you guys a little update what is happening right now with, of course, Bitcoin and the crypto market, and then we'll talk about, other things about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now, $97,000. Okay, still looking pretty good right now for Bitcoin, right? Pretty much consolidating at this level. Yesterday we actually saw Bitcoin going as high as $99.5 thousand. Okay, so yeah, yesterday, okay, Bitcoin did almost reach back up to $100,000. Not quite there yet, but today it did drop slightly back down to the downside. Right now it's coming out $97,000. But don't you guys worry. Okay, we're gonna see Bitcoin, okay, eventually, bounce back up to its previous high of $108,000, and of course reach a new high. Okay, like I said, guys, when we see corrections, okay, during a bull market, it's completely normal. Okay, understand that. Even during a bull market, we're gonna see corrections, we're gonna see pullbacks, and understand, guys, this is completely normal. Okay, we're not always gonna see, green days. We're gonna see red days, and that's exactly what we have in fact been seeing for the past few days, right? For Bitcoin and especially altcoins, right? Altcoins have been dropping. So yeah, Bitcoin, right, 97K right now. Ethereum, $3.3 thousand, just below $3.4 thousand. Still pretty much consolidating at this level, right? Great time right now to buy some, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more other altcoins. So yesterday, okay, we saw a fair few alts, bouncing back up, including Bitcoin. Okay, but yes, clearly see, today for the past 24 hours, altcoins are slightly down today. Okay, we're seeing a lot of altcoins down over 1%, some 3%, 4%, over 5%. So, it's a great opportunity right now to, continue to buy some altcoins, right? And we know altcoins have been dropping for the past few days, okay, ever since we had, the Fed rate cuts. Obviously that caused, the crypto market, not just the crypto market, even the stock market to crash. Okay, a lot of, liquidations, a lot of people did in fact get liquidated, so it was a free fall, okay, at that point. So guys, like I said, okay, days like this where we see dips, take it as an opportunity to buy. This is the time to be greedy. While everyone else is fearful, we got to be greedy, right? This is the perfect time right now to buy more, to accumulate more, guys. This is not time to be panicking, to be selling, or anything like that. This is time to be buying as much as you possibly can. Okay, because we know, guys, we are in fact in a bull market, and next year, 2025, like I said, it's going to be an amazing time for crypto. Okay, we're going to see Bitcoin skyrocketing. We're going to be seeing a lot of altcoins skyrocketing. So why wouldn't you take this dip to buy, right? This is a perfect opportunity right now to accumulate more. So I hope you guys have in fact been buying. I hope you guys did take this as an opportunity to buy the dip, right? But yeah, the global crypto market cap sitting at 3.35 trillion, and overall today the market's down over 1%, almost 2%. So today, okay, the crypto market is slightly down, guys. Okay, so getting into the chart, starting off with this one. Okay, as I told you guys, okay, alt season is about to begin, and this chart just clearly show you guys that Bitcoin dominance will be dropping. Okay, so this chart, okay, is showing you guys what happened, okay, in 2021, okay, around Christmas time. You guys can clearly see the Bitcoin dominance dropped. Okay, and we know, guys, as I told you guys many times, okay, when we see Bitcoin dominance dropping, that's a great sign for alt season. Okay, so that's when a lot of altcoins, okay, altcoin dominance will rise, and that's pretty much when alt season will begin. So what happened Christmas of 2021 will happen this time around, right? Will we see, okay, 2024 for Christmas, okay, in the next few days, the next 3 days, will we see, okay, the Bitcoin dominance dropping? And it does, okay, when it does, okay, that's going to be a huge signal for alt season, guys. Understand that. So who knows, guys, okay, in the next few days, we could potentially be seeing, okay, the the Bitcoin dominance dropping, and that's gonna, lead to alt season. So I hope you guys are ready for that. And looking at this chart, you guys can just clearly see, okay, it's about to begin, right? We're about to see the crypto total market cap rise, guys, and of course reach a new high. And we know, guys, okay, the crypto total market cap has in fact been, breaking out. It has been pumping up to the upside, and soon enough, okay, we're gonna see a breakout, right? It's gonna, break out, and it's gonna lead to a new high. From there on, it's gonna be amazing. So get ready for, alt season, guys. Okay, Q1 2025, it's gonna be an amazing time. Even Q2, right, of next year, 2025, will be a fantastic time for alt season. So I truly do hope you guys are ready, because most likely your altcoins, your favorite altcoins that you guys have in fact been buying in, okay, have been, researching about, okay, will finally be rewarded. Okay, you will be rewarded, guys. Trust me. Okay, we're gonna see a lot of altcoins, right? The large caps, even the low caps, of course, skyrocket. Okay, and you can easily 10x, 20x, 50x, even 100x, right? Maybe even higher, right? With altcoins. So I hope you guys are ready, because a lot of new millionaires will be printed next year, 2025, guys. So be ready for that. Okay, now also around Christmas time, okay, we're not just gonna see altcoins, right, pumping, okay, around Christmas time. Okay, also we have Bitcoin itself. Okay, so usually around Christmas time, we do in fact see the Santa rally. That's what a lot of people like to call it, right? And I like it. Okay, I'm with it. And around Christmas time, usually in the past, yes, it's clearly during Christmas time. Okay, we do in fact see Bitcoin pumping around Christmas time, during Christmas time, right? So understand, guys, as I've told you guys many times, December is a pretty decent month for Bitcoin, especially, during a halving year, okay? And, Q4 of, December, it's a fantastic year, right, for Bitcoin. So this time around, why would it be different, right? Even though, yes, okay, Bitcoin monthly returns right now, it's probably like up like 1% or 2%. It's probably down right now. Okay, I haven't checked. I should check. But I know it's probably like less than 5%. Okay, and so far it's not really moving. At one point, a couple of days ago, we were obviously up like over 10%. But obviously, Bitcoin did have a pullback, and obviously it's down now. But that don't matter, because I really do believe, okay, in the next upcoming few days, we're gonna see Bitcoin bounce back up to its previous highs of 108, okay, $108,000, even reaching a new high. Understand, guys, we have the Santa rally. Okay, Bitcoin always gains the most strength after Christmas. Okay, so next week is going to be huge, right, for Bitcoin. So be ready for that, guys, because after Christmas, we should be seeing Bitcoin skyrocketing. Okay, and I think that's when we're going to see Bitcoin reaching back up to its previous high, and of course reach a new high. Okay, so be ready for that. Now, guys, okay, only 1 month until the first ever pro-Bitcoin president takes office. This is huge. Okay, this is huge, guys. Okay, we know just last month, okay, Donald Trump did in fact, become president once again. Okay, he was elected, right? And this is obviously, very, very bullish for Bitcoin, because we know how bullish, Trump is on Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, okay. Donald Trump has said many bullish things about Bitcoin. Okay, he is, pro Bitcoin. Okay, he is, in on Bitcoin. He's a Bitcoiner, right? So this is obviously huge news. And of course, guys, right, we know, okay, the plan that the US government is making Bitcoin a strategic reserve. Okay, and the big plan is to buy 1 million Bitcoins. Okay. And if this happens, guys, right, when the US government, okay, is buying up Bitcoin, okay, they're going to be buying, 1 million Bitcoins, and they're going to be making Bitcoin a, strategic reserve. When this happens, man, we're going to see the Bitcoin price skyrocket. Understand that, guys, right? And that's when we're going to see Bitcoin reaching, 500K and higher easily, right? When this happens, okay. So understand, guys, this is huge news. Like, why wouldn't you be bullish right now for Bitcoin? Okay, and I've talked about this, in the past, how the US government, the plan, okay, is to buy up, Bitcoin, to buy 1 million Bitcoins, and to make Bitcoin a strategic reserve, right? And we have a pro Bitcoin president. Like, everything is just looking amazing for Bitcoin. Like, how can you not be bullish on Bitcoin? The Bitcoin price is gonna skyrocket, guys. Understand that Bitcoin is going to be reaching, 200K, 300K, even 500K and higher. It is very possible, guys. So I hope you guys are ready for that, right? For all my Bitcoin holders out there, be prepared. You will be rewarded, hugely, right? For sure. So it's all about patience, guys. Now, looking at this chart real quick, Bitcoin consolidation before the next leg up. So we know Bitcoin has in fact been consolidating. Okay, we had a little pullback. Okay, short consolidation right now. We know Bitcoin likes to consolidate, but it always has another leg up. Okay, it always shoots up. And you guys can just clearly see, okay, Bitcoin has in fact been forming this beautiful uptrend, right? And you guys can clearly see it did in fact reach, okay, all the way down over here, okay, of 2023. Okay, I thought this was back in 2022, right? But it's in 2023, and you guys can clearly see this beautiful option Bitcoin has in fact been forming, right? And understand it's gonna, get much better than this, right? Much better than this, because it's gonna, have another leg up, guys. And like I said, Bitcoin likes to have, consolidations, okay, short consolidations, even extended, okay, consolidations. We know right here in the, extended consolidation, Bitcoin was consolidating for like a few months, like 6 to 7 months. It was the longest consolidation ever, okay, but finally Bitcoin did break that resistance, okay, and shot up, right? And yeah, this uptrend that we have in fact been seeing for Bitcoin, okay, for the past few years, Bitcoin has in fact been forming this beautiful uptrend. It's going to continue, right? It's going to continue up to the upside, guys. We know we are in fact in a bull market. So we know, guys, no matter what, Bitcoin is going to continue to rise. And of course, we still have pretty much the entire year of 2025 to see Bitcoin skyrocket up to the upside. So I truly do hope you guys are ready for that, right? 110 Bitcoin is coming, 120, 130, 150, right, to 180, to even 200K, okay, to even 300K and higher. It's coming, guys. So I hope you guys are ready for that. Okay, this is the time right now to simply DCA into Bitcoin for long term, not short term, long term, and simply hold your Bitcoins, right? You don't want to sell it. Okay, you simply just want to hold your Bitcoins. Okay, if anything, take your profits with altcoins, but with Bitcoin, personally, I'm holding all my Bitcoins, guys. Even Ethereum, right? We can't forget about Ethereum. Obviously, with Ethereum, you should be taking some of your profits with altcoins. So for Ethereum, since it is a altcoin, personally, I think I'm going to be, taking some of my profits for Ethereum, but majority of my Ethereum, I'm going to be holding for long term as well. But anyways, moving on. Okay, this is a chart that I really wanted to show you guys. Like I said, Bitcoin has in fact been forming this beautiful uptrend. When I hit a low below, $16,000, when I was low as $15,500, I thought it was around 15.8, but it's showing us here 15.5. So we'll see about that. But yeah, this beautiful uptrend, okay, that Bitcoin has in fact been forming ever since early of 2023 to where we are right now. Okay, it's been almost 2 years. And this uptrend will continue, guys. Understand that, right? We are in fact in a bull market. Okay, so understand, it hit a bottom, and now it's gaining back its momentum. Okay, it's bouncing back up. We know that. Okay, it's been happening ever since, last year, 2023, to where we are right now throughout 2024. Of course, next year, 2025, throughout next year, 2025, we're gonna see Bitcoin, okay, continue to skyrocket. This uptrend, right, that I've been talking about, right, Bitcoin forming this uptrend is going to continue, right? So I hope you guys are ready for that, because Bitcoin's going to be reaching over $200,000, just like what this chart is in fact showing us here, okay? And of course, it's going to go much higher. So understand, guys, okay, Bitcoin bull market is far from over. Like, this is truly just the beginning. Okay, we haven't seen anything yet, guys. Understand that, right? A lot of people think, Bitcoin is now at 100K and whatnot. Okay, it reached, almost $110,000. People think, Bitcoin is near its top. It's near the cycle top, but no, you are wrong. It is nowhere near the top. This is truly just the beginning of the bull run, guys, of the bull market. That's what I really want you guys to understand. So Bitcoin bull market is far from over. Okay, so understand, guys, we still have a lot of room here for Bitcoin to shoot up, right? And that's why I really do believe, okay, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching over 200K to even over 300K, maybe even 400K to 500K. Very possible. Okay, so be ready for that. So this is the last chart that I want to show you guys, and yeah, once again, you guys can clearly see, okay, Bitcoin still has a long way to go this bull market. Okay, like I said, this is truly just the beginning. Okay, we're gonna see Bitcoin reaching, those 200K levels, those 300K levels, even right, those 400K levels to 500K. And of course, guys, in the next bull run, okay, in the next bull market, we're gonna see Bitcoin reaching $1 million, right? $1 million, guys, per Bitcoin. It's going to happen, whether you like it or not. Okay, we know, guys, Bitcoin just reached $100,000. Like, if Bitcoin can reach 100K, why can't it reach, $1 million? So understand, guys, Bitcoin is now at 100K. It's going to $1 million. Whether you like it or not, it's going to happen, guys. Okay, so be ready for that. And that's why I always tell you guys, right, to accumulate at least one full Bitcoin, because this one full Bitcoin, okay, will change your life. You will become a millionaire, a multi-million, in fact, because we know Bitcoin is not going to stop at $1 million. It's going to go to 2 million, to 3 million, to 13 million, to 40 million and higher, right? One day, of course, I'm talking long term. So owning one Bitcoin, you will become a multi-millionaire. Obviously, you will have a lot of wealth, and you will have some type of freedom. I know a lot of us as human beings, we want financial freedom. Okay, and I really do believe you can get all of that just by simply owning a full Bitcoin, right? So get one Bitcoin, guys. Okay, very important, right? I talk about that topic a lot throughout my YouTube channel. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I will keep you guys updated on what's gonna happen with Bitcoin, but looking pretty good right now for Bitcoin. Great time to buy some Bitcoin. Okay, it really is. Don't miss this opportunity. Trust me, you don't. But yeah, on that, guys, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. That is always appreciated. And I catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.